Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been so long since I've uploaded anything. My name is Angel Saxena. I'm living in Mumbai currently. I started this YouTube channel as a landscape photographer and I used to travel a lot. I was making vlogs for you guys, and unfortunately even after 70, 80 videos it did not work out. It didn't work out in my terms of expectations. Obviously, I wanted to have a substantial subscriber base. I wanted to make it a full-time thing. I was devoting all my energy into it, but since last year I started making films with my friends, and we did some short films, we did some feature films, and it has been going good so far. That's why now I'm in Mumbai and I'm working as a director of photography and a DI colorist. A DI colorist is someone who color grades the footage once the film is edited, and yeah, we are doing independent films. Also, I am doing some freelance work as well. So, because of all of this and the change of city, I am unable to travel that much, and because of that, I stopped uploading also on YouTube because I didn't think it was sustainable to make landscape photography content when you're not traveling that much. But yeah, now I want to make something that I'm doing regularly in my day-to-day life. And color grading is a big part of it. Since I've been learning from books, I've been doing some online courses. I did the Black Magic Design coloring course as well. And I have learned a lot from other YouTubers as well. So I grasped a good amount of knowledge from here and there, and I made my own notes which are slowly turning into a full thing in itself. So I wanted to share that information with you guys. I wanted to make videos because I love talking to the camera, I love talking to you guys, and I've missed it a lot. And more importantly, I wanted to build a network of like-minded people. I wanted to make a community. This time I'm not going to post regularly. I'm not going to keep expectations from this YouTube channel because I know I have failed once. And this time I want to post whatever and whenever I want to post, not what my algorithm wants me to. So this time I'm going to make every single one of those videos that I wanted to make but did not because it did not fit in the rhythm. You know, just for example, I bought this mic that I'm wearing probably in 2021, 2 years back, even more than that. I don't even remember now. I wanted to make this video, but I did not because I didn't want to make technical videos and bore you guys because some of you are just my friends. Not all of my subscribers are technical people, and I understood that, but at the same time, my technical videos performed better. So it was very, difficult to understand and create videos that time. But now I think, I will make what I want to make. I want to make a video about this mic. I want to make a video about my camera's latest firmware. My Canon R5, I want to make videos about DaVinci Resolve because I love it. And yeah, I want to share my screen while I work, while I can teach you guys something. And there are times when I am stuck, and I usually take help from Blackmagic Design itself. I email them, they are very good at responding. So I want to share those experiences as well because the problems I am facing, maybe there are more people who are facing the same problems and there is no help anywhere. So I wanted to make this space available for like-minded people to comment on, and for me to ask for help, for you guys to ask my help. And I think it will be a good experience altogether. So I don't know when I'm going to post next, but I wanted to make this reintroduction of myself as a filmmaker, as a colorist, as a person who will make some YouTube videos now and then. And yeah, I will see you whenever I decide to post next, whenever I have something in mind. And I hope to see you there.